Eicma 2025 in Milan marks a major shift in the world of adventure motorcycles. The era of dominance by large 1,300 cubic centimeters engines has come to an end, replaced by the rise of the more practical, lightweight, and relevant middleweight and lightweight segments for real-world use. The concept of adventure is now more democratic, divided between hardcore lightweight rally raid bikes and high-tech mid-range all-terrain bikes that can serve as the one and only bike for many riders. This shift is driven by two market forces: Europe's move towards smaller bikes and Asia's growing demand for premium two-cylinder bikes. The most striking trend at Eicma 2025 is the rise of Asian brands such as Cfmoto, Benelli, Royal Enfield, TVS, and Hero, which now compete not on price, but on features and quality. Global strategic alliances are yielding tangible results. The TVS-BMW collaboration has produced the F450 GS and Apache RTX 300. TVS Norton has introduced the Atlas platform. Mahindra BSA has unveiled the Thunderbolt, and Cfmoto KTM has created a flagship challenger powered by the LC8C engine. Now the line between European engineering and Asian manufacturing is blurring, giving rise to an era of global collaboration that delivers motorcycles with unique character and exceptional value. In this new context, the best motorcycle is no longer measured by the most power, but by four things: technical innovation, segment impact, on-road and off-road performance balance, and value proposition. Eicma 2025 confirms one thing: the future of adventure is about intelligence, not just power. This is the fiercest battlefield at Eicma 2025, the perfect combination of power, weight, and price. 1. BMW F450 GS. BMW has finally closed the gap in their GS lineup with a new 420 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, 48 horsepower, 43 Nm, and a weight of just 178 kilograms. Unique innovations such as a 135 degrees crank provide a single feel on slippery terrain, while the Easy Ride clutch feature makes it anti-stall. The design remains typical of the GS: modern, compact, and ready for adventure. 2. Kawasaki KLE 500, the return of the adventure pioneer, featuring a 451 cubic centimeters twin engine, 51 horsepower from the Ninja and Eliminator. The KLE 500 prioritizes reliability and value. Two variants, Standard and SE, target riders of various skill levels, making it a direct rival to the BMW F450 GS and Benelli TRK 602X. 3. Benelli TRK 602X. The successor to the legendary TRK 502 now comes with a more characterful 554 cubic centimeters engine, 56 horsepower, 54 Nm, and 270 degrees crank. Modern features such as TCS, off-road ABS, two riding modes, and a TFT screen elevate Benelli from a budget brand to a value premium brand. British brands are making a comeback thanks to significant investment from India, now competing in the modern adventure segment. 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan 750 prototype. Royal Enfield's big step into the premium segment. Powered by a 750 cubic centimeters twin engine, 50 horsepower, 60 Nm, and 19-inch front wheel, the new Himalayan focuses more on long-distance touring than heavy off-road. Equipped with cruise control, dual discs, and a TFT display, this is a major evolution from the 450 model. 5. Norton Atlas and Atlas GT. Backed by TVS investment, Norton emerges as a new global player. The 585 cubic centimeters twin engine, 70 horsepower, with a 270 degrees firing order powers two variants: the Atlas Rugged Off-Road and Atlas GT Luxury Touring. An 8-inch TFT display, keyless ignition, and traction control position it to compete with the Aprilia Touareg 660 and Triumph Tiger 900. 6. BSA Thunderbolt. With a 334 cubic centimeters single engine, 29 horsepower, and 21-inch front wheel, BSA presents a lightweight retro-style ADV that is truly capable on off-road trails. Equipped with traction control and off-road ABS mode, the Thunderbolt creates a new segment. Lightweight, yet sophisticated heritage adventure. China is no longer a minor player. It is directly challenging the European and Japanese giants. 7. Cfmoto 1000Mt-X, China's most aggressive flagship motorcycle. Its 947 cubic centimeters twin engine, 111 horsepower, 105 Nm, and KYB 228mm suspension with 21-inch/18 wheels make it a serious challenger to the Africa Twin and KTM 1290. All premium features, quick shifter, cruise control, cornering ABS, come standard. Exceptional value with world-class specifications. 8. Benelli TRK 902 Explorer, a more rational approach. The 904 cubic centimeters engine, 100 horsepower, and 19-inch/17 wheels emphasize its touring orientation. Equipped with blind spot detection, cruise control, a 7-inch TFT screen, and an electric windshield, the TRK 902 targets the comfort of the BMW R1300 GS and Ducati Multistrada, but at a much more affordable price. These two motorcycles prove that true adventure doesn't have to be big, just light and tough. 9. Hero Xpulse 210 Dakar Edition. Based on Dakar Rally DNA, this motorcycle has 280mm suspension travel and 270mm ground clearance, even higher than a 1,000 cubic centimeters motorcycle. Its 210 cubic centimeters engine, 24 horsepower, and fully adjustable suspension make it the most extreme off-road motorcycle at Eicma 2025. Hero showcases its technological prowess on the world stage. 10. TVS Apache RTX 300. TVS's impressive international debut. The 300 cubic centimeters engine, 36 horsepower, comes with SmartSonic features. Google Maps, voice control, GoPro integration, and TPMS, features rarely found even on larger motorcycles. TVS is now playing both sides, producing the BMW F450 GS for the premium segment and the RTX 300 for the affordable technology market. Eicma 2025 proves one thing: the world of adventure is now open to everyone. From the lightweight Hero Xpulse, the mature Benelli TRK, to the fierce Cfmoto 1000Mt-X, they all point in the same direction. Adventure is no longer just about engine capacity, but about experience.